Hello friends, welcome to the lesson 2 of free affiliate marketing tutorial. In this tutorial we will talk about hosting. Hosting is an essential part that is absolutely needed to make a website. So in this lesson we will talk about two type of hosting. One would be 100% free and another would be a paid hosting, that is called iPage hosting. We'll talk about these two in this lesson. So before starting to build a website with this free hosting and this paid hosting, I would like to state some points that is essential for you to understand in the first place. So if you are going to make a free website with a free domain, which will be like myprofitablewebsite.siterubics.com, this would be your free domain. This kind of domain would be free domain if you go with this, and you'll also get a free hosting for lifetime. You don't need to pay any money if you don't want to pay. But in long term, when you start to build huge content base, then most of the ranking that happens in search engine are with .com domain, not something like .siterubics.com. This type of domain rarely ranks, but still you will get free traffics from various search engine. So you need to decide that in first place. So if you go with this, and in future if you would like to change the name of the website to domain of the website to .com, then you you'll need to pay $359 in yearly basis or $49 monthly if you make website with this free hosting and free domain. But you'll also get access to a platform that is called Wealthy Affiliate, which is especially designed for affiliate marketers of all level. They have a huge content base of blogs and videos where you can keep on learning if you are a premium member of Wealthy Affiliate. Similarly, even if you go with this hosting and free domain, you will be able to run paid ads in Microsoft advertising, and I'll teach you about that in coming lessons. And you'll also be able to get a $100 free ad credit by going with this domain and free hosting. Similarly, now let's talk about paid hosting. So this hosting provider is called iPage. So they have stated in their homepage, as you can see, they'll provide a $500 in extras, like you'll be able to get a $100 ads offer in Google. You can run a free $100 ad in Google Ads, and a $100 you'll also get a $100 ad credit on Bing. Bing is past name of Microsoft advertising. So today it is called Microsoft advertising. In past it used to be called Bing, and they also provide site lock facility for free and a WordPress free building tools, and they have various things here. You can see how you will get a free .com domain if you are going with their paid plan. Now it is absolutely your choice. I don't want you to stop your training because of the money. If you can't pay for this hosting, then you can start building your website in this, and in future if you would like to upgrade to the premium, then you can upgrade. I'll also show you by building I'll also show you how to build a website from this both platform. So firstly, I have explained you about all of these things in this free domain and free hosting, and in this paid hosting where you will get a free .com domain. If you go with this, then you'll need to pay dollar 3.75 dollar in monthly, and you should at least pay for 12 months, and that would cost you $114.85 in total for 1 year. You'll get and you'll get a free domain and this 100 ad credit for Google and $100 ad credit for Bing. So firstly, I'll show you how you can make a WordPress website with this hosting and free domain. So you firstly need to, now if you want to start building with this, then you should start to follow my steps, because I am going to show you. I'll show you first about this free domain and hosting, and then I'll show you about this paid domain and paid hosting and free domain. So firstly, you need to select the name of your website, which will also be your domain. So in my case, I'll make my profitable website. So if I write that much, then it will show here available. So this domain means this type of domain, I mean, like here you can see siterubix.com, and your website would be my profitable website.siterubix.com. So once you put your domain name, just click on build my free website, and it says hold tight, we are building. Now you need to fill some basic information like your email address here and your name, whatever it is, you can put it here, and you can put a password. Just fill in these details and click to go to my account now. So you don't need to submit credit card, anything in here. However, Siterubix is powered by Wealthy Affiliate, and Wealthy Affiliate is a platform that is specially designed for affiliate marketers. So you can just cancel it for now, and they do have some free training that you can also see if you want. So this would be your free training. You can click here, and here they will teach you about various things. So let me show you in grid. So if I click on here, then they have some lessons that is absolutely free for you to read and to see. They do have some video. They'll teach you about how to build a website, how to make money, how to select niche, this kind of stuff they will teach you. And once you do this, you can also set up your profile. And to make a website, now you can click on website here and click on either here or here. Whichever you click, it is same thing. So for now, I'll click here, build a website. Just click here and click on free domain. As you can see, if you need to put your own domain name, then you'll need to buy their premium, which will cost you $49 per month or $359 per month, but you'll get access to various things here, their training, their live classroom, keyword research tool, free keyword research tool, and so on. So in my case, my domain would be my profitable website .siterubix.com. So this would be my free website, and my title would be my title. Choose your website domain name and title properly according to the product that you are thinking to promote in future. Like if you want to promote health related product, then you should think of that kind of name. You can also search on Google for the domain name idea. Just like if you want to promote, anti-aging cream, let's say anti-aging. So if you would like to promote anti-aging cream, then you can see www.prevention.com, goodhousekeeping.com, cosmopolitan.com, bestproduct.com, that kind of domain you can use here and title your website. However, this title could be changed, this domain would be not changed, so put this domain properly by thinking a good name that people can remember. And this thing doesn't matter, you can change it later. So once you put this much thing, then click on build my website and they'll tell you, hold tight, we are building you something amazing. So once this is completed, then your website is now ready. So what you can do is simply click on login now, and you will come to a screen that seems like this. Now in next training, in another lesson 3, in lesson 3 in next training, I'll teach you step by step to do everything in this WordPress. For now I am just showing you to get a free domain and free hosting to build your website. So this is completed. If you want to go with Siterubics, I have also provided link in the description of this video. You can click that link and get this free domain and hosting if you'd like. So now we reach to our WordPress dashboard, and now I will show you how you can get a paid hosting and a free domain here. So to get a paid hosting, don't go with this plan. Just click on WordPress here in iPage. I have also provided the link of this iPage in the description of this video. You can click that and you will be in this page. Just click, and once you are in this page, just click on WordPress. So one more thing I would like to say you, if you want to go with Siterubics domain and free hosting, then you can stop watching this video and continue to lesson 3. But if you want to go with paid hosting and a free.com domain, then you can watch this video. You can continue to watch this video. So just you'll be in this page after you click on the link and the description of this video, and click on, after that you click on WordPress, and then you come below and select this $3.75 per month WP starter plan. Just click on here and choose your domain. In my case it would be my profitable website.com, and now you can, sorry, here I need to write dot. So once you write your domain name here, that would be in .com, not with Siterubics.com types of domain. You can use this kind of domain. So once you do this much, once you search this, then you can see your pricing here. Your WP starter for 1 year would cost you $45, and your site log. So what I want you to do is, you don't need to remove this all of these extra features, but because if you want to work for long term, then these things are absolutely necessary for you. So it will cost you total $93. Previously I have told you $114.85. I think it is a little bit reduced. So now you can click on next, choose my term. So this would be for 1 year, 12 months, and you will be paying $93. And by paying this $93, you will be able to get various things: free domain, free email address, free SSL certificate. So SSL certificate means, like, here is also an SSL. Just so what happens, some site doesn't have this as, yeah, if it doesn't have this as, then it would show here connection is not secured, and that is a big red flag for the user who are visiting your site. So this is important to have a HTTPS. So firstly, you'll not have HTTPS when you are going to build your website with this hosting, but you can ask their support, and it is easy to ask their support, and they will help you to turn your SSL, and your website will also show that it is connection is secured. So just select 1 year, and if you want to go for long term, it's your choice, but I would recommend you to go with a minimum of 1 year. You can also go with 3 years. So it is your choice. So after you selected these all things, then you click on next, customize my plan. So okay, so now everything seems to be fine. Now you can add some extra features here if you want. Like it would cost you $36 per year. It is not necessary. This, don't select these things. Whatever you need, all you already have here. So and then you can click on continue to payment, and then you can just fill in this form, your email address, phone number, and pay either with your credit card, or credit card, debit card, MasterCard, or you can pay with PayPal, and click on purchase now, and then you will purchase a good hosting for your website and a free .com domain. And once you do that, then you will see a dashboard that would be like this. Okay, so once you see this kind of dashboard, just click on WordPress, and then it will show this kind of a screen. Just click on skip to control panel. You click here, and after that again you click on WordPress, and then you put the name of the domain that you have purchased while buying hosting from here. So in my case it would be http this colon and / my profitable website.com. This should be my domain. So you already have this kind of domain. Now by now, if you have gone with this hosting, then you can put that domain name here and click on next. So in next step you will see something like this, and you just click on this icon form, tick mark this icon form, and click on next. Anywhere it would be here. Once you click there, then you can give the title of your website. In my case it would be my profitable website, and you put your username. So your username means the name that you have used to make an account here, like my first name and last name. So that kind of username you can put here, and in here you will see email address. So you will put the email address that you have kept here. So once you do this much, then this thing appears itself. It is not essential for you. It would appear here itself. You just need to fill these 3 things, and you click on next. Once you click on here next, and then you will see something like this: WordPress is installing, browse our 10,000s of item, it will not interrupt your installation. So you'll see a progress bar here. It is 45% complete, and once it is 100% completed, then it would say installation complete, continue browsing the marketplace, or view credential here. So you just need to click on here. So once you click on here, then you'll be able to see this kind of information, and you can also see this information is in your email, the email that you have entered here. You'll be also able to see that this information there. So your website domain would be myprofitablewebsite.com. In my case this would be my domain, and then my username would be Pawan Dhakal, and similarly the password means the password that I have made after making this purchase. I think you will need to make purchase, and then you will be able to make a password. And then once you will remember that you already have that password. As you can see, the password you choose during the install, so you already will put this password by yourself, so you don't need to worry about that. Even if you forgot, you can click on forgot password and you'll be able to recover this password. And to log into your WordPress, meaning this kind of interface, to log into this kind of interface, you just need to click on this long link and enter your username and your password here. Just like you'll see some screen like this. Once you click on here, you'll be able to see a screen like this, and you just put your username here. In my case, my username would be Pawan Dakal, and you just put a password that you have made during installing the WordPress. So, and just click on remember me and click on login. So once you click on login, then you'll see a dashboard of WordPress like this. So after reaching your main goal should, for this lesson, your main goal should be to reach up to this dashboard. Okay, either with free hosting and free domain, or with paid hosting, or paid hosting and free.com domain. You just need to reach at this point. So now once you reach at this point, and what happens if you are making, and then one thing is important, that either you go with free hosting, free domain, or paid hosting and free.com domain. You just need to go to, firstly you just need to go to appearance. Once you reach here, you just need to go to appearance and click on themes. So you'll see something like this, and just type here GeneratePress. So you can see this is GeneratePress theme. You can, this is already installed here, and if it is not installed here, you'll see a install button there, and you can click on there, and your theme will be installed. So for now, let me say if I would like to install any other theme, just like, so for currently now my website has a theme that is called GeneratePress. But if your theme may be of 27 or any other theme, then you'll see a activate button. You can click on that activate in GeneratePress, and then you'll be able to see, you'll be able to use this theme that is called GeneratePress. For in this case, let's say now our current theme is this 2019. Now you can go to search for GeneratePress, and once this kind of GeneratePress appears, just click on activate. Okay, and this theme will be activated. So you need to do this. Now you should go to dashboard, and now it's time for you to continue to lesson 3, and there we'll start to make your website, enhance your website, and continue our training. So I hope this video was easy for you to understand, and I'll meet you in next lesson. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.